Okay, guys, let's see what do we have here. Holy moly, that was a hit, man. Look at that. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, it seems like the intake manifold just broke in half. Man, this poor Ferrari. Look at that. Man, this is unreal. Yep. Ceramic brakes. Man. Wow. Look at that handle. Boop. And this pops out. Wow. This is unreal. What? Man, it's all over the place. Like, what really happened? This is smashed. Smashed. And how did. What in the world? Okay. Usually Ferraris, they have the engines in the back. I don't hear engines in the front. Or it was in the front. Boy, this is unreal. Can you open it? Maybe? Okay. Okay. We are getting somewhere. Oh, man. Of course, all the parts are inside because there is no spot for anything else. But, man, look at that. And this poor Ferrari. The horsey. Man, this is unreal. I'm not gonna lie. And the mirrors saying it, man. This poor car is destroyed. And then look at this, man. This is wow. Have cameras. I don't know if you guys. Yep. Have cameras, lights. Everything is touchscreen. Wow. Have the levers right here. Boy, oh boy. This is awesome. Wow. Crazy. What really happened? Oh, we have the shifters right there. Boop boop. Boop boop. Up and down. Oh, yeah. You have all of your modes right there. I believe. Man, this is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. How they even got all this stuff inside? Man, it's brutal. Brutal, I'm telling you. JBL. Oh wow. Seems like to open the door you have a button. Boop. Oh, wow. Make sure we seal everything here because yeah, it's on the block I believe today. So man. Right, and what really happened? Like, why they smashed like that so much? Doesn't make any sense. And someone obviously took the sign. Man, savages. All the emblems, everything is gone. It's ridiculous. Let's see. Well, it's a good thing that there's no cap, because probably the cap's gonna be going as well. Man, well, this batch here popped out, so yeah. Have a nice LED here. Man, what really happened? Come on. I don't even have the sticker to show you guys which is the what number it is, but yeah. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, there it is right there. Haggerty Insurance. Huh, interesting. Lost type, unknown. Well, I think we already figured that one out. 2002 Ferrari Roma. Hell yeah, buddy. Claim and everything. Well, you guys want to go and check it out, just put that number, boom, in your Copart, and you guys gonna see it. Man, this poor car. Okay, let's move to the next one.